What is the difference between a multimeter and a clamp meter? A digital multimeter is a versatile tool for measuring various electrical properties like voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance. A clamp meter, on the other hand, is specifically designed to measure current, typically by clamping around a conductor. While digital multimeters can measure current, they often have limitations in the amount of current they can handle, and they require breaking the circuit to measure it. Clamp meters, conversely, offer a non-invasive method for measuring current, especially high AC currents, without interrupting the circuit. Here's a more detailed comparison. Digital multimeter can measure voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and more. Generally more accurate for low-level measurements and electronic work. Requires breaking the circuit to measure current. Can have limitations in measuring high current values. Pros: versatile, accurate for various measurements, and good for electronic work. Cons: requires breaking the circuit for current measurements, may have limitations with high current values. Clamp meter, primarily designed for measuring current, especially AC current, measures current without breaking the circuit. Capable of measuring high AC currents without interrupting the circuit. Generally safer than digital multimeters for current measurements as they don't require direct contact with the conductor. Pros: non-invasive, safe for current measurements, good for measuring high AC currents. Cons: limited to measuring current, may not be as accurate as digital multimeters for low-level measurements. When to choose: digital multimeter, used for a variety of electrical measurements, electronic work, and situations where breaking the circuit for current measurements is possible or necessary. Clamp meter, used for measuring high AC currents, situations where breaking the circuit is not possible or desired, and when safety is a primary concern.